Okay, so I parted my hair, and what I use is this Shea Moisture. I put this one on my ends because my ends are always fairly dry. So that's just for some moisture in the ends. And then this is the smooth and hold pudding. And that's just so the braids are nice and like smooth. You don't see where my hair and where the fake hair meets. Comb it through. And then loud. So then I put some jam to the top of my hair. Smooth it in. And this is what I put, sorry. I use a yall edge down, and it's probably the best, in my opinion, it's the best one. You take your hair, so grab a section of how thick you would want your braid to be. Just grab a whole section. If you want your braid to be this thick, you just grab that much. And so that you get even pieces when you do this, then you just break this into 3 different sections. Okay, then I part my hair into 3 sections. And I can't look at the camera while I do this, or else you won't be able to see what I do. But I start braiding. I think I braid under. I guess that's what you would call it. So once I have like, you know, 1 row or enough braid going on, you want to grab a piece of the hair, right? Let me get close. So as you can see, right here and right here, these 2 pieces of hair are twisted. I put my fake hair lined up with both of these pieces. So now I have a piece of fake hair behind this and behind this. And this is lonely. This is just my real hair. And it looks like this. So now what you do is bring that lonely piece of just your hair through the middle like you normally do. Just trying to show you. And then continue to braid. So I braid a little bit. I don't go down too far because I don't want my braids to be ridiculously long. And you want to pay attention when you do this because you want it on the hair. You want it on your natural hair. So right now you can see that these 2 pieces are right here. If I put it on, it would be like overlapping. So I'm going to do a couple more twisties. And now I put my hair around that finger. And it's the same thing. Looks like this. This goes under. You braid normally. So then I'm gonna grab the last piece of hair and put it in, and then continue to braid. So now you just braid down. That's what it's looking like. Only thing about long braids is how ridiculous it is to braid it all the way down. Like, it just is super time consuming. Last one. Okay. Put my product on. Edge gel. And I put this one, I angled it towards the front because I'd like it to fall that way. So I'm gonna do the same one with this one. So they fall towards the front of the center of my face more. Adding my second piece in. Probably can't see because I'm super far. Adding my second piece of hair in, and now I'm adding my third. I want it to thicken up sooner than later, but I wanted it to start off really small because I'm doing super small parts. It's knotted. So once I finish all of my braids like I just did, I go back to the ends because they're looking kind of crazy, and I just finish braiding them all the way down. And while I do that, right before I start this, I'm actually gonna go boil the water so that the water is ready when I'm done. Okay, so I'm all done with my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm loving it. It did take some time to do, but this is the finished product. And then I like them because I can immediately put it in a ponytail, even though they're fresh. Jeez, these are long. Okay, ponytail check. Stop. Stop playing. Oh yeah, that's fine. My brother's loud, sorry. What else could you do? Half up, half down. And I purposely braided those ones so that they could fall like that. Oh my gosh, my brother is so loud. Thank Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like it if you enjoyed it.